I remember the feeling of it being done. The first time I backed up my driveway and it was done and I didn't have to do it.
Mm.
In my life, literally across the board, that one thing, my life got better. Like in all areas of life, because that huge source of anxiety that I saw every single day. The first thing I did as I left my house was that anxiety is how I kicked off my day.
Yeah,
Think about that, how that impact the dominoes. I'm thinking
exactly.
about my yard needing done, not thinking about a $400,000 deal that I could close. I'm thinking
Yes.
about my yard, not this
Yes.
deal, and how I'm going to show up. And so it's a domino effect. You remove those things out the way, and it's almost intangible, but you will start to notice the energy levels. Like you said, like you got this energy back. What are you going to do with the energy? And if you
Yes.
can continue that and domino it and then really compound it by putting something even more valuable in, man, it's a beautiful, like your life changes. It really
100%.
does. You're removing anxiety and responsibilities of things that don't serve you very well. And you're doubling down with putting things that are even better, like time with your wife. Think about that quality time you get to spend. It's time you'll never get back. Never get back.